our new
It's like
maiden call.
No, it's
I swear we're not drunk.
1, 1, 2,
Well, you know,
2,
the
1.
coffee comes in, so.
No, you're both doing it wrong. Here.
Leave me alone.
Let the master show you.
I don't care.
I can't do it in these jeans.
I don't care.
Go.
It's like.
I was right. I said 1, 1.
But I can't do it for some reason. I can't do it like with the flow that you try. Well,
We're drunk.
I can only.
No kidding.
We're drunk off coffee.
My arms are down.
We're drunk off coffee.
Summer Mackenzie, she's just drunk on life and water. Take this thing, I'm cold. I'm shivering.
Shiver, shiver, shiver.
No.
Shiver.
No,
Do the shiver. Do the shiver. Yo, I'm Slim Shady, the real Slim Shady.
I like Sugar Baby better.
What?
The Sugar Baby.
please stand up.
Please stand up. Please stand up.
All ready? Ready?
There's cars too.
No.
We're drunk. Yeah, we're drunk.
I have an ass, but I have a chest. I have an ass.
I don't have a
I don't
I only have one.
I don't really have either. Yeah, look at that. Look at that ass. Look at that ass.
No. Okay. I got the ass. You got the boobs.
Oh my God,
It's the perfect match.
team.
Woo!
I feel left out in this.
We could be the
No,
awkward
we're
two.
sorry. We already got the
Awkward.
ass. And we got the boobs.
You've got like multiple. Like,
Like, no.
And I'm just like randomly here, not talking about my body.
Asian.
I have like nothing though.
I told you, you're like V-shaped. I don't
I'm
know.
actually apparently an hourglass.
Hourglass. I thought I was hourglass.
No, because I have 9 inches in
Go.
from my
Start.
butt. Well, it's 3 times.
Are we doing inches?
Yeah, from my butt.
Okay.
Sit. Sit.
Hey,
No.
what? What were we supposed to be doing?
You wish you were us.
What were we supposed to be doing?
Gangnam Style? I don't know.
Okay.
Last thing you can do it the longest.
Can you do the sexy lady part right? No, that's not how you do it.
Shut up. I can actually do it, but
I just, I think I can kind of do it now, maybe. I don't even know.
no, but he
You're
does
like
this
swaying
at
your
part, like,
hips.
too. He does that at part too.
Yeah, no.
What's new?
Like he.
No, who wants to be daring and do, like, the head humper thing?
Well, what
In the elevator. In the elevator. The guy in the elevator.
Oh, yeah, that was
like.
funny.
Like, on the floor, like.
Because we have nothing though, that's the thing.
I know. I don't care.
Luckily.
Look at those people over there. Those normal, unsuspecting people probably think we're nuts.
Hey, sexy beauty.
Oh my god.
They're old people though.
You're like.
Yo, people. You wish you were. Oh my god.
Okay, I don't have my head.
Oh, I know what we should do.
No, they go on the floor though. Like,
That's not on the floor.
this is like. I know it's what. This is like dance practice.
Totally slippery.
No, I think we should do Macarena.
Oh yeah.
You work that bench.
We're improvising from a pole.
I know.
That's my bench.
My hand's getting cold.
That's your mom right there.
Is it?
I don't know.
Shit, you see that?
No,
Okay,
my
no,
mom has a red car.
No, that's not even Asian. That's Indian.
Asian.
Like that.
I'm not even of Asian descent.
I am.
But
Yeah.
I'm adopted, so I know Irish.
That was
French
pretty
stuff.
good, right?
Okay.
My shadow looks pretty good.
Yes, it does.
Full wet.
Yeah.
It's awkward, but I'm happy because I know where they are.
I thought
You're recording that.
Yes, I am.
Did you heard that?
What is the problem?
I swear, one day you guys
I
will
slept.
regret it.
Probably.
We're gonna work at Hooters.
Earlier.
Tables. Oh.
Oh, I slipped and it hurt.
I have weird friends.
This car's
No
passing
kidding.
by. I got hurt.
One big happy family.